Hello, and welcome to step 2, where you create your private trade room account for the PTFX CopyCat. The PTF CopyCat is $149 a month. However, we have a promotion right now that you can get the first month for $1. However, if you're already a member and you're already a member of Private Trade Room and you're already paying $149 a month, then just go ahead and mark yes and then continue with the form. However, if you don't have a private trade room account, you must do this before continuing. And we will have to go ahead and check that before we connect you to the copycat. So make sure you fit and set up your private trade room account. It's very easy. You can set it up in less than 2 or 3 minutes. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so when you select no, you're gonna see this pop up right here, and it's gonna say before you continue, you must create your private trade room account before continuing with the PTFX copycat enrollment. It says step number 1, watch the video that you're watching now, and then step 2, go ahead and click on this link. And it's gonna take you to the private trade room website. When you get here, you're gonna see the PTFX Gold Rush Auto Trading bot at the top. And you keep strolling down, you're gonna see about our university. Keep on going down, and then you're gonna see the PTFX copycat video. You keep on going down, and eventually you're gonna see right here, sign up now. So go ahead and click on sign up now. And when you click on sign up now, go ahead and click on apply coupon. And you'll notice on the form in red, it says if you want to get started for just $1, put in the promo code PTFX promo. And then go ahead and apply it. And now it's $1 instead of $149. Then proceed to checkout. Then go ahead and put your email address in, and you're just gonna simply follow the prompts, and then you're gonna check out. You're gonna need a PayPal account to go ahead and subscribe to the copycat. If you don't have a PayPal account, at the end, just go ahead and create one. You will see the option, and all you're gonna do, it'll take less than 2 minutes. You just click on it, attach your debit card, and then you're done. Once you're subscribed, then go ahead and come back to the form. And when you get back to the form, now we're going to go to the next step, which is create your broker account and upload your live account credentials so we can connect it to the copycat. Thank you.